say to always practice your cadence because practice makes perfect, especially when there's nothing left. Right? Left.
My name is Trish Brownlee. I am 34 years old, and I've been a working professional artist and photographer my entire life. I spent 8 years in the military, serving as a photojournalist, having my work published on book covers and in special operations features. For the last 6 years, I've explored what it means to be in the military from the perspective of home and help veterans work through trauma and experiences through the photographic arts. 2 years ago, Hurricane Matthew destroyed my home, and I used the experience to show people what climate change looks like when it literally hits home. I have just lost my entire home and my studio again to Hurricane Florence. I will use this grant to rebuild my life and my creative practice. I've literally lost all the material possessions I own, but I have not lost my spirit. I've not lost my education or my skill. I am still an artist. I am still a photographer. I am still a creator. And I will overcome this.
Okay. Hey, Rory. What do we do when we fall down?